Welcome to Merritt Ford. Spotlight on our 2025 F-150 XLT that just arrived. This has got the black pack, very sharp, iconic silver with the black wheels, black running boards. This one is the 5-liter V8, 10-speed transmission, intelligent access, touch the door handle to open it, power seats, heated seats. Come on in. Air tilt cruise, power windows, power locks, of course. It's got heated seats, power sliding rear window. This one's got the bigger screen, nav system, push button start, remote start, FordPass. You can start it from your phone app. This one has the work package on it. So you have a fold over console, eat your lunch, play on your computer there. Very convenient. Plus it's got the wireless charging pad down in here for your phone. Inverter built in, so you got plug in the dash, 12-volt system, of course, and individual climate control. Lots of room for seating. Fold the seats up and you have a flat floor for lots of luggage. And then there is a fold-up storage container, so you can keep control of your everything in the back seat. USBs in the back, 12-volt plug-in, inverter, hitch package, so it's got the hitch and wiring, power release on the tailgate. This one has the lights in the box, tailgate step, makes it easy to get in and out of the higher trucks. Workstation built in, measuring and tape and everything, storage in the side. Come down to Merritt Ford today and check this 2025 F-150 out. We're located Highway number 9 North.